There is a small secret in CapCut that makes your captions perfectly match your voice, but how? In this video, we will go step by step so you can learn how to fix caption timing and use templates in a professional way. So stay with me until the end. In the previous lesson, you learned how to add captions.
And then at that moment, the video looks like that.
Now you can create them, edit them, and style them cleanly. You're already ahead of most beginners if you reach this step. Now let's level it up. But there is one more step that makes captions better, and that is timing. Because even the best words, if they appear late or leave too early, look wrong.
There is a small secret in CapCut that makes your captions perfectly match your voice.
Captions usually break for two reasons. First, delay. This means the caption appears after you speak. Second, too fast. This means the caption changes too quickly and you can't read it. Remember, small timing mistakes can make your whole video feel unprofessional. Our goal is that the caption should feel like it is speaking with you at the same time. Okay, now let's fix timing step by step. First, import a video and drag it to the timeline. Then click on text. Then select auto captions, then choose the video language. For example, Persian or English. Whatever you need. CapCut will automatically generate captions. After that, to fix timing, play the video inside CapCut and watch the captions. Whenever you see a caption is late or too fast, pause. Click on that caption section. Adjust the start time so it matches exactly when the speech starts. And also adjust the end time so it stays long enough to read, then play that section again. Repeat this process several times until your captions are clean. Don't rush this part. This is where your editing quality is built. And don't forget that punctuation is also very important in captions, like a period at the end of a sentence, a comma for a short pause, and a question mark for questions. But avoid too many commas, long sentences, and complex signs that distract. Because our goal is only one thing: readability. Think like a viewer here. Would you enjoy reading this quickly? In timing rules, captions should appear when speech starts and disappear when speech ends. If the sentence is long, split it into smaller parts so it is easier to read. Because captions are not full text, they are reading help. Big mistake in captioning: ignoring mobile. If you want your captions to look good on mobile as well, you should always check them on a mobile device. Then do this quick test. Export a 10-second clip and watch it on your phone. Ask yourself, can I read the captions without effort? Do they change too fast? Are they placed too low? If the answer is yes, go back and fix it. Watch the first 10 seconds of the video. If there is a problem, fix that part first. Because if the beginning is messy, people leave. This first 10 seconds decides everything. Treat it like your hook.
There is a small secret in CapCut that makes your captions perfectly match your voice.
Keep your captions sharp and readable. Always preview them on a mobile device for the best user experience.
Then go to the middle and again watch 10 seconds and fix any late or fast captions. Okay, this was how to fix caption timing in your video. Now let's go to templates. Templates can save you a lot of time, but if you use them wrong, your content will look like everyone else's. Use templates as a base, then customize them. So, what is a template? A template is a pre-made editing style that can include cuts, text style, transitions, music, and effects. It is like a ready-made house, but you still need to decorate it to make it yours. If you use a template, change at least these 5 things: text, font, timing or rhythm, colors, music, and keep the sound clear. If you do this, your video will not look like a copy anymore. This is the difference between basic editors and creators with style. Step by step how to customize a template. From mobile or PC, open the CapCut app. In the template section, choose a simple template, not too busy. Click Use Template. Then import your video. Replace its text with your own words, 2 to 4 words. For example, CapCut tutorial. Change the font to your preferred font. Adjust timing so the hook appears in the first 1 to 2 seconds. Those first seconds decide if people stay or leave. Make them strong. Adjust the music volume, not too loud, not too low. Remove any distracting effects. Finally, export a test video. If the template has too many effects, remove them because clean is always better. So, if you want your channel to look consistent, follow this rule. One caption style, one title style, similar rhythm, and similar music feeling. Consistency makes you look professional. Consistency is what turns beginners into recognizable creators. Today, you learned two important skills. First, caption timing and punctuation, aligned with speech and readable. Second, smart use of templates with at least 5 changes. With this, your videos will be made faster and look professional and unique. But here's a small secret that most beginners ignore, which instantly makes your captions feel more professional. Instead of just matching captions to speech, sync them slightly with the rhythm of the audio. Here's what I mean. If your background music has a beat or kick, try to make important words appear exactly on that beat. For example, when you say a keyword, let it appear slightly on the beat. When there's silence or pause, let captions fade slightly slower. This creates something called visual rhythm, and it makes your video feel more expensive without adding any extra effects. And here's a second small trick. If your sentence is emotional or important, don't show it all at once. Instead, split it like this. This is where everything changes for your content. That small pause between lines increases attention and retention. Good editors don't just sync captions, they sync attention, rhythm, and emotion. So next time you edit, don't just ask, is this correct? Ask, does this feel right with the video? Because that's what separates average videos from addictive ones. In the next lesson, we will go to overlays, B-roll, and effects. You will learn how to make your videos more attractive, but with one professional rule, less but better. Before we end, always remember this. Never think everything will be perfect the first time. Good editing means watching many times, fixing and testing again. Even professionals review a video several times to make everything precise. So if your captions are not perfect, it is normal. Go back, fix them, and improve them. Good captions are not just writing, they have timing, rhythm, and feeling. If you do these 3 correctly, your video will get more views. And do one more simple thing. Focus only on the first 10 seconds. Because if the start is not good, the audience won't continue. If you fix the start, the rest becomes easier. And don't forget, every video you make is not just content, it is practice to improve. So don't rush. Don't sacrifice quality for speed. Make less, but make better. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Quality always wins in the long run. If you continue this process, very soon you will see the difference yourself, and so will your audience. Now it is really time to act. Go, execute, test, fix, and be one step ahead of yesterday. See you in the next lesson.